If you're driving on a road trip somewhere with multiple vehicles, it's never a concern to pick up your cell phone, make a call, and chat with people in another vehicle. Likewise, you can turn to your passengers and have a chat. But try doing that without a roof, without a windshield, and without any glass. Good luck trying to make a phone call. It's just not going to happen. And when it comes to side-by-sides, this is a real issue, and so communication systems are a great answer to solve the problem. But in the world of communication, there's a lot of choices. And so today I want to show you some products that I've found to be incredibly intuitive, very clean and easy to install, and of a quality that I know you'll appreciate, especially when it comes to clarity and the proper functioning of a Vox system. COM produces communication kits for just about every side-by-side out there in packages that are custom fit for your ride, and they also make a universal roof mount called the console. After tackling the installation that featured pulse bar connectors for both my Polaris rigs and getting into the nitty-gritty of how the system mounts up, I was really impressed. Everything is pre-thought out, pre-assembled, and ready for install, which will be vehicle dependent, but for me took under an hour. Routing headsets and push-to-talk lines takes some thought, but once installed, they don't need to be messed with. We were even able to mount the roll bar mounted push-to-talk for rear seat passengers on our 4-seat as well. Now with installation out of the way, let's take a look at what really makes the system special. And no, it's not just the pre-built and pre-wired design. The S4S portion of the console in the ProRZR setup is half of the system that does 4-channel in-car communication as well as Bluetooth audio. With the S4S, you have complete control over all 4 people's individual volume, control over the Vox system and how it cuts in, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, so you don't just get to talk to the other riders, but you also get to listen to your tunes at a reasonable level that's not interrupted by exterior engine or wind noise. Now this is another place that the COM put in some long hours
with the headsets as well as the helmet fit-up kits. These aren't your traditional microphones or stereo headphones.
With a great deal of effort being placed on audio quality as well as vocal clarity and noise cancellation, all kits, whether over the ear or in helmet, utilize the same speaker drivers and the same microphone designs that have proprietary tech to get the best possible clarity, and that also translates into the best possible music clarity. And a feature I love is the music automatically pauses when someone speaks to another in the cab or to another vehicle. Then it starts right back up afterwards. As for the high quality experience, well, sitting right here without the engines running doesn't really prove much, so let's get out on the trail.
Yeah, it's pretty slick.
Yeah, do you have your phone with you?
Yes, I do. You want me to put some music on?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Let's see how this works. I mean, it's crystal clear between the two of us. This would be so much better than yelling at the person next to you.
I know.
Going, huh? Huh?
Yeah, there we go.
So that's kind of cool. It automatically mutes out the music as soon as I start talking, which is cool.
That's pretty intuitive. It's neat.
I can't hear any noise of wind or engine or anything. It's just like, I imagine myself as an airline pilot. It's like perfectly clear.
Yeah, it feels like I'm in a helicopter right now.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I think I can understand the benefits of this, not just when you're using the S4S system inside of the cab and you have other people in the cab with you, but especially when you're riding with another group. Like, this would be huge for a group ride, to be able to connect with people and just not have to be like, oh, where is so-and-so, you know, how far away are they?
It's kind of cool with this and the ride command, too.
Yeah.
Because they're able to see each other and talk to each other. And
yeah, it's kind of like the ultimate connectivity.
Yeah.
Now you got audio, too.
Now the other side of the console, as well as the Polaris XP kit, and also the other kits that you're going to find online for your side-by-sides, is the 25-watt radio integration that allows us to communicate with other vehicles simply and easily. With a professional-grade UHF or VHF radio and all the popular GMRS frequencies, as well as pre-programmed local weather and race radio stations, you have the radio world at your fingertips. The radio kit also offers FM radio stations when signal is available. You have options for your antenna also, with different lengths as well as antenna styles of either shadow, reaching 5+ miles line of sight, or high gain that can reach out to and past 10 miles line of sight. Comes with clean and tidy mounting options, rugged designs, and even an optional hand mic that can be kept in the glove box and plugged in when you reach the destination first and want to leave your radio on to still catch any communication with your helmet or headset not required. Now, something that also needs to be mentioned is price. When you get something that is custom designed and pre-assembled for ease of installation, you almost always pay quite a bit extra. And I say almost always because with the COM, they've worked very hard to package these kits at an incredible price point. The system isn't just two-way or in-cab communication either. It's a full audio system with clarity and fidelity that you can't get from external speakers. The crew from UTV COM are also very helpful and easily accessible for communication and questions, and yes, they are based in the USA, so you can talk to someone right here in North America. Additional things to remember is that this system can be communicated with by just about any two-way radio, so it's compatible with your friends, and when it comes specifically to the console unit, it's universal, so you can take the system with you when you buy a different side-by-side, which when linked with a very reasonable initial cost makes this system a bargain in the long run.